Hello everybody, and thanks for stopping by Rocko's Music Factory. You have good timing. Baba and Yaya just dropped in. Baba?
Steven?
Yaya?
Steven? Friends? Baba? Yaya? Steven?
Baba? Yaya?
Friends? Yaya? Wait, what?
Okay. Ladies, what can I do for you?
My husband and I are celebrating our 50th wedding anniversary very soon.
Oh, wow, I'm so glad to hear that. God grant you many more years together.
Thank you very much.
And as Yaya's only friend, best friend, it is my duty to throw the happy couple an anniversary party. And, I was wondering, Steven, if Rocko might let us have the party here?
Oh, that sounds like so much fun. We here at Rocko's Music Factory know just how wonderful the blessing of Orthodox marriage is, when God unites two people as one so they can become one with Him.
That was beautiful.
Well, thank you, Yaya.
And I agree. My marriage has most certainly been a blessing to me.
Mine too.
Glory to God. Well, come on over. We can ask Rocko about the party. Excuse me, Rocko, sir. Yaya and her husband are celebrating their 50th wedding anniversary, and they were wondering if they could have the anniversary party here.
I'll provide the entertainment. Here we go.
I tell you, sister, brother, father, mother, listen what I'm saying, cause I got good news for you. A wedding is a holy mystery God has put together to make one flesh from two. You know, when man was made in the very beginning, way back in the book of Genesis, God said it is not good having man be alone, and He fashioned a Eve from one of Adam's ribs. You know, when Christ went down to the wedding in Cana, He showed us all that marriage is blessed, and from that time Christians have been getting married to give them a partner on their heavenly quest. And while people are imperfect or their marriages too, you know, with God's help and His blessing we can get there soon. So come on everybody to the wedding. See a marriage consecrated in God's eyes. You see salvation given with the help of a holy and God provided husband and wife. You know, this faithful bond of a man and a woman, this foundation of the family life, is a vow before God that should never be broken. Like Christ is the groom and the church is bride. You know, a martyr loves Jesus more than himself, and a couple loves each other in the very same way. They sacrifice their wills for the good of the other. So Father puts a crown upon their head and He says,
crown them with glory and honor. Crown them with glory and honor. Crown them with glory and honor. 'Cause marriage is a path to holiness in the church.
well, come on everybody to the wedding. See a marriage consecrated in God's eyes, and see salvation given with the help of a holy and God provided husband and wife. Now you're one with each other. Be one with God.
If a man and woman marry in order to be companions on the journey through earth to heaven, then their union will bring great joy to themselves and to others.